Good morning, everyone. This is Joe with Xerion Software. Today I'm going to take you through our exciting new public links offering, which will allow you to create links for your forms and then send them out to people in order to fill out and collect data without them actually having to be a user in our system. So let me just take you through it real quick, how to set it up, what it's going to look like, some of the features, and we will get started here. So there's a couple of places where you can activate your public links. I'm going to do it from the iFormBuilder form list. So if it's available to you, you'll see this blue icon here that allows you to create a public or private link. So you would click that, and if no public links are allocated, the first message you're going to get is that there's no public links allocated. So this will allow you to do that here. I'm just going to allocate 10 for now. You click allocate, and then there's a couple of options here. So access with login is basically just the regular URL to our web forms, which would require a user name and password. So we just wanted to get the links basically all in one place, so you didn't have to go multiple places if you wanted to create one to send out with people that have a username and login, and for people who don't. So the one we're going to focus on here is down here, public link. And what this is going to do is going to allow you to either set a password for this link. So when you send it out, if this is turned to on, you'll have to let the people know that you're sending it to what the password is, because it will require a password. So I'm just going to set that, and then when you click generate link, down here it will generate a link for you, so you can copy it here. Also, you have the ability to delete the link. So if you're collecting data for a month and you don't want to collect any more data on it, you can delete it. Nobody will be able to access it. Disable link is different in that you can disable it for a certain amount of time and then turn it back on. So if you only want to collect data between Monday and Friday, let's say, and turn it off for the weekend, then you come here, disable it for the weekend, and then turn it back on, and the link will stay the same. So let's copy this link, and I'm just going to click here, and it'll take me to the web forms. And so now I'll need to enter that password. I'm going to enter it incorrectly just so we can see what that looks like. So you'll get this message. Please re-enter password. So let me just type it in correctly here. All right. And so you'll be taken into this form where the user will be that you sent the link to. So I'm just going to fill this out real quickly. And then I'm going to do submit new, so I can submit another record. So that'll do that. And this time I'm just going to hit submit so we can see the next message that you get. It'll say it'll let the user know that the record's been successfully uploaded, and they can just close this tab out. Or if they didn't mean to hit submit but wanted to submit another record, they would click this. So I'm just going to fill out a few records here because we have alerts that go out via email, which let me show you how to get that set up. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to the company info tab, and I will scroll down to services, and you'll see public link monthly limit. You can also change the allocation here if you like. We just put it in the form builder so that it was more intuitive and you didn't have to go to different screens to do it. So I'm just going to set my email address here so that I receive the alerts when I'm about to hit my limit. So I have 10 total. Once I hit 75% of that, I should receive an email again at 90%, and then when it's at 100%, it's been totally used up. So let me hit save here. I will go back. I'll just put in some gibberish here so that we can fill these up. Do this real quick here. Because I also want everybody to be able to see what message the actual end user will get once these have reached 100. Because once you get to 100% and the user clicks the link, then they will receive a message that they can no longer collect and that they need to reach out to their administrator. What we're hoping to do in a future release is be able to make that a more customizable message, so it's not so generic, so that you can actually put in, your email if you want them to reach out once they hit the limit, or you want them to reach out to whoever. You can customize that so they know exactly where to go if they can't get into the form. So we should be almost done here. I know this is very exciting, putting in this gibberish button. Okay, so this is the message the user will get. The public link has reached the total number. Please contact administrator. And like I said, we're hoping to, in the second phase of this, make this a customizable message to whatever you want it to say and to whoever you want to point it to. So let's check the email here, and you'll see right here. So 75%. I got one letting me know, hey, this is about to hit the limit. You may want to increase it. And then again at 90. And then again at 100. So this lets you know, hey, your users won't be able to collect any of that data. So let's go back here and close this out. We'll go back to our form. And we'll just go back here. So I just want to show you the if I want to disable this link, what you'll see here is that the save has been lit up so that you can click it now. Same with, you can change the password, and this allows you to actually view the old password if you're not sure. So you could just change this to that, hit save, and then you'll need to send out the new password to your users. And then to delete the link, you click that and you'll get a prompt just confirming, hey, this is going to delete that link. Nobody's going to be able to collect data through that link, so we'll just confirm there. And yeah, that's about it. So let's just make sure, we'll go back to our data, and I don't have view rights, so can't see that. Let me just change that here. Add it to this. Collect and view. Hit date, and then we should be able to see the data in the data view here. Yep, so there you go. So there's the 10 records, all submitted as they should be, with a bunch of gibberish. But yeah, so that's a quick walkthrough of how it works. If you have any questions or you're interested in trying this out, please let us know. Just get in contact with us either through our support email or through the chat where we are available. Thank you very much.